due piccioni con una fava, or catch two pigeons with one fava bean. What can we learn about creating value in negotiation from this proverb? This video is the second video of the series Popular Wisdom and Negotiation, a short and entertaining way to learn and potentially remember critical topics of the negotiation theory. My name is Giovanni Aquilanti, Business Development Director and Senior Trainer at CABL, a company specialized in negotiation and influencing. Value creation in negotiation starts with differences. When the parties see things differently, when they value things differently, that's the point when you have the opportunity to make trades. Think about cash flow when you negotiate with a creative agency, for instance. Getting money up front is critical for them because they have to book resources well in advance. While this could be less important for you in comparison to a discount on the total cost of the project. In this case, you can negotiate a moderate upfront payment to be checked with finance. In return, offer robust discount on the total cost of the project. That would be hard savings for you. Cogliere due piccioni con una fava, or catch two pigeons with one fava bean, explain exactly this. The fava bean is not a noble legume. It's not very valuable for the farmer, but could be very attractive for the pigeons. That's why, with one single fava bean, the farmer can catch two pigeons at the same time. We explain one important concept of creating value negotiation through the traditional way of saying cogliere due piccioni con una fava.